Here we are in Sheffield, England, on the edge of the Peak District, and behind me is the MachineWorks headquarters. We're all gearing up to head off to EMO in Germany. For those of you who don't know, our two software toolkits, MachineWorks and Polygonica, provide APIs for use in CAD/CAM and additive manufacturing workflows. We provide various solutions to some complex geometric problems. MachineWorks libraries provide full machine simulation and collision detection in CAD/CAM systems and CNC controls. It is useful in a variety of applications including 5-axis machining, wire EDM and mill turning. Polygonica algorithms provide polygon mesh and point cloud manipulation for CAD/CAM, 3D printers and 3D scanners. With me here are the team that will be at EMO in Hannover. They'll be in Hall 9, booth D17.
See you at EMO!